Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the water lock mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here swipe left on the screen to go to the next page. And on this page we have this icon with the water droplets. That's the water lock mode icon. Tap on it to turn it on. You will see the water droplets on your screen now. That means that the mode is turned on. And to turn it off, you need to press and hold the home button for a couple of seconds. It's gonna start playing the sound and the watch will start vibrating to eject the remaining water. And it also will give you information to shake your watch to get rid of remaining water on it. And once you do it, just tap OK to confirm. You can also enable the water lock mode by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Galaxy wearable app on our phone. In the app, let's select Advanced. And here we have a water lock option. Just tap on it. Then tap Turn On. As you can see, it's enabled now, and we can only turn it off by using the button on our watch. We can't turn it off using the app. So let's turn it off by pressing and holding the home button. Like this. And that's how you enable the water lock mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.